Hi, now that you finish your video, you want to export it. Okay, before we export it, I'm just going to put a little uh, blend at the beginning here, a crossfade, so it starts from dark to dark, from dark to light. And then I'm going to put one at the end here. So, and this is, I'm getting this from the video transitions in the effect palette. And then we're looking for the dissolves. And then, so we're putting one here at the end. So it goes black, and we're putting one at the beginning. Also, so the audio works nicely. So we're going to open up audio transitions here, and we're going to put a crossfade and at the end here, and we're also going to put one at the beginning. So this will start up the music nicely, and it will bring it down smoothly when you're done. Okay, now that we did that, we want to make sure that our work area, which is defined by this thing right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our playhead right at the beginning and then come in all the way. And we just want if I wanted to start in black, I just wanted one back from there. If I wanted to start also in black, but inside the video, I put it there. I'm going to put it here right outside. And then I'm going to zoom out by opening this up and bring my playhead to the end, and then bring it down, and then I'm going to bring it out once so I make sure that I have the whole thing. So what I'm doing is we're going to export a video of this work area. If I come to this work area, I get some information here. It tells me the duration of this is 15 seconds and 29 frames, which is about 16 seconds. And that's what I want. So now that we have that, we're going to make sure that we are in the sequence. We're going to say File. Then we're going to say come down to Export Media. This is going to open this up, and it can show you the type of video that you're going to get. The one that is most popular, this gets a little complicated because there is a lot of type of video that you can get out of this machine. But we're going to start easy, and we're going to start with a codec called H.264. So if you start with one and you use that all the time, and then as you get more into the business, you'll learn what the other ones are. But H.264 is one that is used, that is it's like a standard. And we can open that up, and Premiere gives you a couple of options here, Apple TV or whatever you want. I'm going to use the Vimeo, because that gives you like a good, Vimeo is a website where you can upload videos. Doesn't mean that you're going to use it in Vimeo. You can use it for other things, but Vimeo, YouTube you can use too. But we're just going to go with a Vimeo, and this is a high definition 1920 by 1080. So we're going to choose that, and here it gives you the information. It tells you what the source is. So what is coming from a 1080, 1920 by 1080, and this is what it's going to tell you what it's going to come out to. Now you hit here where it says output name, and this is going to tell you where it's going to put it. I'm just going to hit desktop, so it will be put on the desktop, and just going to name this final, so I know that's my final project that is coming out. I put save. I'm going to, because I want audio. If you didn't want audio, you would press that, but I want audio and I want video. And that's it. That's all I want. And I know where I'm going to be. And make sure I got the right codec here. Go back and choose it. And the one that I want is the one from Vimeo that is 29 frames per second. Vimeo 29 frames per second. I hit export. And that's it. It's just a matter of the project being rendered. Usually it takes a little while. Depends how big the project is. I have stuff that I've rendered that have taken a day or 2 days because it's a very large project. And this one is only going to take 30 seconds. It's almost there. Once it's done, I'm going to show it to you. So you can get to see the video that we finish. And you can, once it's done, you can upload it to whatever you want or send it to whoever you want. Let me minimize this here. I'm going to minimize this here too. And this is, I put it in the desktop. It's called Final. and just double click on it. This is the project. It's the final edit. Again, you can get all these videos from tuplaya.com. How to do it, and how to do it is the tutorials, and if you want the footage, you can go to free footage and you can grab the footage. Thank you and have a good day.